In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Briggs and Stratton riding mower fuel filter in just a couple of quick, easy steps. All right, so first let's go ahead and just identify where our fuel filter is. So here you can see the fuel line that comes out of the fuel tank, which is this right here. And then this is going to be our fuel filter right there. And this is going to be pretty much the same regardless of whether or not you have a Briggs and Stratton engine or pretty much any other brand. This is pretty standard. And so in this case, we have a red fuel filter. Some other ones have, like, you can actually see the filter inside of it, but this is the one for this particular mower. So I got my replacement here from Walmart. It's a couple of dollars. And let's just go ahead and start removing the old one. So you'll see it has this little clamp here. You're just going to want to grab some pliers and you'll squeeze this and you can kind of slide it back. And then you'll just pull this off. And there you can see our old one. And there's obviously a ton of junk in here. There was a bunch of like plastic in the gas tank, so I'm really not that surprised. But let's get this swapped out for a new one. All right, so we got our new fuel filter here. And I have some nicer looking clamps. We'll use the other one, the same one that we had on the other side, but let's go ahead and slide one of these on here since this side didn't have a clamp. And all you have to do is just kind of slide it on there. A little bit of paper from the packaging. And then you just slide it right in there. It's pretty simple. And I should have mentioned this at the start of the video, but make sure your gas tank is empty, or that you have if you have a fuel shutoff valve, that you have that turned. Otherwise, you are going to get fuel pouring out at the beginning. I've been doing some work on this mower, so my gas tank is empty. And then we're just going to grab our pliers again here, squeeze it, and slide it down. All right, and we should be all set. And that's all you have to do to change your fuel filter. Like I said, it's going to be pretty much the same process on other brands or other riding mowers. And if you have a push mower, you're probably going to see something very similar on your fuel line. So I hope this video helped, and if you enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.